Good afternoon, everyone. Our topic today is called Drive Friction with the title of Slip Test Challenge. First, the essential force that resists motion. Our presentation is centered on the Slip Test Challenge, where we determine the exact moment an object starts to slide. Finding this limit is critical for all engineering design. Let me introduce myself. I'm Matthew C. Kere. I covered the core topics in our methodology. And we have Carl. He will bring the theory to life with real-world visualization of our slip tests. And we have Kirby. He will handle the math showing how we calculate the critical forces and the coefficient of the static friction. And Garel, the editor, and he makes sure our presentation is organized, clear, and easy to follow. Okay, so let's go with the definition of topic first. Okay, the drive friction is specifically we call friction. It's a force that resists to the relative motion or tendency motion between two solid surfaces in contact. And it's the reason you don't slide everywhere you walk, and the force that allows cars to accelerate and what's let object put incline. In our static, we primarily be studying static friction, which is the force that prevents an object from moving when it's at rest. And the slip test challenge directly relates to finding the maximum amount of force, the maximum amount of static friction that can be applied before the object to slip or move. And once this maximum is exceeded, the object accelerates and the friction transition from the static to kinetic or sliding friction, which is typically a slightly smaller force. So let's begin with the demonstration for this challenge, the slip test challenge. And we have a material of foam board and book. So for example, mag-i-incline tayo dito ng ganyan. Pwede natin siyang masolve yung coefficient static friction ng book at nung incline. So, nag-slide na siya. So, ang magiging ano natin, first step is makuha natin muna yung known values natin ng kunin natin. So, pagka-slide niya, let's assume na yung angle na to, yan yung pinag-slidean ng book is 15 degree angle. Okay, so meron na tayong known value na 15 degree angle. Bali, ang mangyayari sa ating list